Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Monday.com to Claude AI. First, we need to go to the Claude page, and here we are going to use the connectors. So we are going to the plus icon in the prompt section, and here we are going to the connectors and then to add connector. Here in the search bar, we are going to search for monday.com and we have the result. We are going to click on monday.com and we can see this is the official monday.com connector. So we are going to click on connect, and the Claude AI will redirect us to the monday.com sign up page. So we are going to continue with Google or just enter our credentials to log in with monday.com. After doing all of the login process, we have to grant all of the permissions to Claude AI to connect to monday.com. And when this is done, you are successfully connected to Claude AI.